name is Becky Bradshaw and I am part of the primary maths team here at Oxford University Press. Today I'm going to talk you through what's inside Numicon Geometry, Measurement and Statistics Teaching Pack 1. If you don't know already, Numicon is a maths programme which is based on the concrete-pictorial-abstract approach. It encourages children to use structured imagery and apparatus to help them understand and explain mathematical concepts. This teaching pack, Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 1, contains all the core materials for teaching children aged 5 to 6, which is Year 1 or P2 in Scotland. So we're going to take a look inside. It includes Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 1 Teaching Resource Handbook and Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 1 Implementation Guide. We're going to start by looking at the Teaching Resource Handbook. This contains step-by-step activities to develop geometry, measurement and early statistics skills. There is information on how to get the most out of your teaching materials, including planning and assessment support and how to use physical resources. For Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 1, you'll need Numicon Starter Apparatus Pack A, and you can see it here. Opportunities to use these resources are clearly signposted in the Have Ready section in the activity groups, and we'll come to that later. The long and medium term planning charts cover all the activity groups in the Teaching Resource Handbook. The teaching progression is carefully scaffolded. This means that children will only meet a new topic when they have enough experience of the mathematical learning that underpins it. There is a handy overview of the activity groups which highlights key mathematical ideas. This is followed by 11 activity groups which are arranged in 2 strands: geometry and measurement. Early statistics is introduced in strands in the appropriate context. So let's take a closer look at an activity group. You will see that the strands are colour-coded, so geometry is green and measurement is purple. The information at the top of the page helps to easily identify the context of the activity group and how far through the strand you are. The key mathematical ideas highlight important concepts that you will meet in this activity group. There is an overview of educational context and how this builds on prior learning. The learning opportunities are taken from real classroom experiences. There are also assessment opportunities and links to the Explorer Progress Book and the Explore More Copy Masters. Each activity group has step-by-step focus activities. These start with low threshold activities and build to high ceiling activities. This allows you to differentiate for every child in your class within the same activity group. All of the activity is supported by easy to follow instructions and clear illustrations. There are also photocopy masters to accompany the activity group at the back of the book. And Explore More Copy Master homework activities. This is an opportunity to discuss and practice maths outside the classroom, and they are designed to encourage parental engagement. There is one copy master idea to complement each of the 11 activity groups in Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 1. There is one page of information for the parent or carer on how to complete the activity and suggestions of next steps. The other page is a child-friendly activity. So now let's move to the implementation guide. This introduces what Numicon is and offers advice on the best ways to implement it in school. It is full of practical advice and answers to key questions, such as the most effective ways of using resources and including planning and assessing with Numicon. There is a section on key mathematical ideas that children will encounter during the year. This is an extremely useful reference tool before you start teaching. There are detailed explanations, including how to develop ideas when teaching with Numicon. So that's an overview of what you get in Numicon Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 1 teaching pack. If you want to find out more, you can look inside the books on the website or get in touch with your OUP educational consultant to order a pack. See the details on the screen now. Thanks for watching.